July 12th, 2022, it was the last day I was in the Navy. I served 12 years, but I could have did 8 more. A lot of people thought I was crazy because of the success path I was on. But after I read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Secrets of a Millionaire Mind, Automatic Millionaire, hey, I wanted financial freedom. I wanted a big company. I wanted a real estate portfolio. Everything those books talked about, I wanted. So this is the reason why I created this video, because I want to do a little bit things different. I want to change it up. One of my biggest goals is to create a Fortune 500 company. And the reason why I want to create that is because I want to help educate the people. I want to help empower the people when it comes to credit. And also, to show you how to leverage that credit score so you can use that credit score to get $100,000 at 0% interest. We're going to use that money to get income producing assets. And guess what we're going to do with that? It's going to pay us like clockwork every single day. So what does that mean for this channel? I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna talk more about, I'm gonna create more videos about personal development. I'm gonna create more videos about business. I'm gonna create more videos about how to start a credit repair company if you want to learn about it. I'm also gonna create more videos about how to build a credit repair company. Also, when I go on these high-level trips, when I go to these masterminds, I'm gonna document. I'm gonna tell you everything of what's going on. I'm gonna give you the insights. As long as I can do it, I'm gonna give you the insights. So if you ever want to start a business or build a six-figure company or build a seven-figure company, you don't have to go through the same trial and errors I went through. Because guess what? You're going on a journey with me. I'm gonna show you everything you need to know. I'm gonna give you the information. I'm gonna give you the tools. I'm gonna give you the recordings. You're gonna see everything. I'm documenting everything. So if you ever want to build a big business, I got you. So sit back, relax, turn on the notification, because it's about to be lit.